everyone, today we are going to see what is meant by noun and their different types in English grammar. So first of all, what is meant by noun? Here is a definition. Noun is a word that means a person, place, thing or idea. For example, person. We can say doctor, teacher, Ria. Then place, for example, school, Mumbai, park. These are the places noun. Then things, book, chair, phone. These are the things nouns. And then last one is idea. For example, honesty, love, freedom. These are the idea nouns. Okay. So the simple definition of nouns is what? Noun equals to naming word. Okay. It gives a name to everything around us. So that is meant by noun. Okay. Now after that we are going to see the types of nouns. Different types are there. Let's see one by one. Okay. So first type is common noun. Now let's see what is meant by common noun. A general name for a person, place, thing or idea. A general name. Okay. For example, girl. So then after that, city, book, dog. These are the general names. Okay. So this is what common noun. General name for person, place, thing or idea. Next one is proper noun. What is meant by proper noun? Specific name of person, city, then we can say thing, idea. Okay. And this proper noun is always start with capital letter. So we can easily understand, we can easily identify the proper noun in the sentence. Okay. So specific name of person or thing, and it is always written in or always start with capital letter. For example, here Ria. Okay. Then Mumbai, Tommy. Okay. These are the proper noun. Specific name. Okay. Next, third one is concrete noun. Okay. So what is meant by concrete noun? Something you can see, touch, hear, smell or taste. These are the concrete noun. For example, apple, chair, music, perfume. These are the concrete noun. Means what? Something you can see, you can touch it. Okay. You can smell it, you can taste it. These are the concrete noun. Type is abstract noun. So what is meant by abstract noun? Names an idea, feeling, quality or concept. That is meant by abstract noun. And something you cannot touch, that is abstract noun. For example, love, honesty, anger, freedom. These are the different ideas, feelings. Okay. So we cannot touch it. That is meant by abstract noun. Okay. Next one is fifth one, that is collective nouns. Collective noun means what? A word that refers to a group. Okay. Group of people or things. That is meant by collective noun. A word that refers to a collection, group. Okay. That is meant by collective noun. For example, team of people. Okay. Then family members. Then bunch. Okay. Bunch of flowers, then class. Okay. So these are the collective nouns. Next one is countable noun. Countable noun means what? Nouns you can count. Okay. You can easily count it. That are the countable noun. They have singular and plural form. Okay. So the countable nouns, they have singular and plural forms. For example, apple, that is singular form. Apples, it is plural form. For example, car and cars. Okay. So countable nouns have plural and single forms. Okay. So this is what countable noun. Now last two types are there, uncountable noun and material noun. So uncountable noun means what? Nouns you cannot count individually. Okay. So usually they do not have plural form. Uncountable noun do not have plural form. For example, water, milk, sugar, information. These are the uncountable noun. We cannot count water. Okay. So they do not have plural form. Now last one is material noun. Names of materials or substances used to make things. For example, specific thing is there. How that thing is made up of. Okay. So that is what material noun. Names of material. to make that thing. For example, gold, okay, then silver, wood, then cotton. These are the material, okay. From this material, many different things we can make, okay. So material noun is what? Names of materials or substances used to make different things. Okay, I hope you understood all these types of nouns. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.